Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to make video about how you can reset Apple Watch Series 745 if you forgot your password on it. Like you can see that it's asking for the password. But before I move on, I can show you that like 99% of people who they are watching my videos, 99 point plus people who they're watching my videos, but they are not my subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button at this point, and let's reset the watch now. So what you need to do at this point, you need a charger, Apple Watch charger, and you need Apple Watch. And what you need to do at this point, hold down your button you use to power it off. As you can see, the power off on the top. Press and hold the crown on the side. Alright, so you can see that it's saying connect to power source to proceed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on here on the watch, and you can see it says that I think I have to do it again. So let's do one more time. This thing, press and hold this button until you see that slide to power off. Now hold the crown. You see it says connect to power source to proceed. I'm gonna put it on the power source. As you can see, it says that reset, erase all content and settings, erase all content and settings. This will reset the device to factory default. So I'm going to click on reset. I think I gotta do one more time. So I click on reset. It says, are you sure you want it to continue? So I'm going to press reset one more time. So that's all. That is all you need to do to reset your Apple Watch if you forgot your passcode on screen. And if you don't have any Apple ID on it, it will come straight to the setting up screen. If you have it, while setting it up, it's going to ask for activation password. If it's yours, you can definitely enter your Apple ID and password to continue to proceed further after that. So as you can see, that is being reset now, and now the reset thing is going to start. Once the reset will be completed, and it's gonna come on the screen to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. So right now it's being reset. So as you can see, those dots, they're going real fast. So once it will be done, it's going to come on the screen to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. So it's turning on. It's going to take a few more seconds. Alright, so it looks like it's going to take time over here. So as you can see, it's reset now, and it's on the screen to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone now. So when it says low battery, you have to put it on charge, and it's gonna let you pair with your iPhone. So that's it. That's all you need to do to pair your hard reset your Apple Watch and Series 7 especially. And that's it for the day. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever I'm going to post a video, so you would know that the video is there. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.